GMOs, or genetically modified organisms, are organisms that have had their genes altered in a lab environment in order to bring out the desired characteristics or products of the type of organism. There are two methods for making GMOs: recombinant DNA technology and reproductive cloning. Reproductive cloning uses the nucleus of a cell from an individual that will be cloned and given to a cell that does not have nucleus. Recombinant DNA technology edits the DNA of a target organism by taking the gene of another organism that will be used to bring out desired trait and insert it into the DNA of the target. GMOs are also called GM seeds, transgenics, biotechnology, or genetically engineered. Genetically modified organism is organism whose genome is engineered in the laboratory in order to favor the expression of desired physiological traits or the generation of desired biological products. In reproductive cloning, a nucleus is extracted from a cell of the individual to be cloned and is inserted to the inoculated cytoplasm of a host egg. Recombinant DNA technology, on the other hand, involves the insertion of one or more individual genes from an organism of one species into the DNA of another. Whole genome replacement, involving the transplantation of one bacterial genome into the cell body or cytoplasm of another microorganism, has also been reported. GMOs produced through genetic technologies have become a part of everyday life, entering into society through agriculture, medicine, research, and environmental management. Genetically modified organism is commonly used to describe any of these terms, and vice versa. Genetic modification, GM seeds, biotechnology, biotech seeds, genetic engineering, and transgenic crops.
What was the main or prime reason why crops or organisms were modified or for use? These methods, however, took longer to do. Examples are those when crops like rice are made pest resistant, or when animals like fish are made to grow and reproduce quicker than what is possible if done simply through selective breeding.
There are many benefits and risks to the use of GMOs. Starting on benefits, crops that are genetically engineered are very useful in the agriculture industry. They can be modified to increase crop yields, reduce costs for food or drug production, reduce need for pesticides, enhance nutrient composition and food quality, create resistance to pests and disease, greater food security, and desired medical benefits. These GMOs help countries that struggle with drought, diseases, or poor production gain leverage and have enough food supply for their citizens. These crops are also developed such that they can be grown faster and have the ability to survive living in environments not often suited for their growth.